you testify that, according to you, Warrant Officer Ndlovu testified that when a photo is recovered, it will not have the metadata. Is it your evidence?
Mnumzane Ntanzi, ngaphambi ukuthi siphume ke sekudlena ngithi besikhuluma ke ngalokhu uCraft Raw. Wena uye washo la enkantolo wathi ke uWarrant Officer Ndlovu uye wathi ke uma ngabe ke isithombe lesi ke sesadilitsha sathola futhi ke ayikho idata ke mhlawumbe into ekhombisayo ukuthi senziwe nini isitholakale nini nama date kanjalo. Usho njalo?
Yebo ngoba lezi thombe lezi okwakhulunywa ngazo lapha ecourt zayingena ama date naye zangakhuluma ngazo zinama date.
Yes, the reason for that is because the pictures that we're dealing with here in court did not have dates, and he also did not mention any date.
Ngoba lezi okukhulunywa ngazo namhlanje azange akhulume ngazo Ndlovu iqala ukukhulunywa ngomshushisi ekhombisa inkantolo lezi thombe azange akhulume ngazo baba Ndlovu.
Because the pictures that we are dealing with today, and Mr. Ndlovu never spoke about them. It is only for the first time that the prosecutor talks about these pictures.
I just wish to refer you to the evidence, the portion that we're looking for. It's page 55 during the proceedings of 11 June 2025. At line 21. So the proceedings of 11 June 2025, page 55, line 21, Dr. Sibanda asks Warrant Officer Ndlovu, now I'm going to want Warrant Officer to get into this cuffed row so that we understand what it is. Then on page 56, still on the 11th of June 2025, Warrant Officer Ndlovu responds as follows, from line 2. According to my knowledge, understanding, is that even if the picture or the photo has been deleted, but it says that it was once there.
Masibuyele ke kufakazi ke obakhulunywa la enkantolo ngomhla ka11 June ngo2025 utholakala ke ku page number 55 line number 21. Umzane Sibanda ke uye wathi ke ngizocela ukuthi umzane Ndlovu ke siphinde futhi sibuyele emuva lapha kulo Craft Raw ke azokwazi ukusichazela ukuthi ke uCraft Raw ukhuluma ngani na. Uthi ke umusiba usulona uNdlovu ke ngokuya ngami ke uma ngabe isithombe sesidilithiwe siyakwazi ukuthi sitholakale futhi.
Yeah, sorry, it's actually Mr. Ramosepile who was cross-examining Warrant Officer Ndlovu.
Oh, masilungise lapha bekumzane Ramosepile ngale lo bekabuza lo mbuzo.
Kati kahle manje lapha ecourt sikhuluma ngokutholakala or sikhuluma ngesikhathi. Mina ngikhuluma ngesikhathi angikhulumi ngokutholakala.
Exactly what are we talking about here in court? Are we talking about recovery or the time? Because I am talking about the time. I don't have any issue with the recovery.
Nithi mina isithombe baba uNdlovu ukuthi ngangizwa kahle ngihleli lapha ethi ithombe lezami engenaso isikhathi ne date ilezi ithombe beyidelete uma ukuthi ngangizwa kahle lapha ngaze ngathi nakuba uRamsiphi lezi ithombe lezi ziyangimangaza makuthiwa ideletiwe ngoba mina ithombe zami ziku Facebook efonini yami lapha igcwele khona.
When he was testifying before the court as I was sitting, I'm not sure if maybe I was not hearing him well, but he did mention that these other pictures were deleted. And I said to my attorney, but I'm surprised because most of my pictures are there on my Facebook, those ones that they had mentioned that they've been deleted.
Njengamanje lapha kwenkosi enkantolo nasi isithombe uNdlovu testify ngaso. Azange sivele date la kodwa manje sibuya namhlanje sesine date naka ama date aso ngemuva.
And again, just to refer to the document that I have in my possession, there's a picture that appears in page 2382. Mr. Ndlovu never testified about these pictures. Utazanga testify ngaso.
Ukhulumile ngaso sasingenayo date.
Okay, sorry my lord. He did testify about this picture. However, there was no date that was mentioned. But today, now when you flip on the page, there is a metadata.
Yes.
Concerning the same picture.
So we're just positing his evidence to you so that you understand what the concept draw entails and the recovery process of a deleted photo.
Uthi-ke uyakubekela nje ukuthi ukwazi ukuzwisisa ukuthi mama khuluma-ke ngale cuff draw malana nesithombe-ke esidilithiwe nesitholwayo ukuthi kusebenzeka kanjani.
Cha ngizokuvuma wena udownload umuntu odownloadanga uyowatshena ecourt la.
I'm not going to agree to what you are saying because you did not download, but the person that downloaded came and testified before the court concerning that.
Yes, the downloader, Warrant Officer Ndlovu, testified as follows, and we quote in these passages from his evidence. During the proceedings of 11 June 2025, from line 15 to 19, Warrant Officer Ndlovu maybe I should start at line 10. What I can say about the picture, when you take a photo using a phone, especially when you have a memory card inside the phone, you are able to delete the picture when you no longer need it on the phone. Then at line 15, but you do not delete it on the memory card. It remains there, which is why when you do the extraction using the physical, you are able to see it. You are able to see as it is written there that it is deleted, but it is actually still there on the memory card.
Uthi-ke sesibuyela manje emuva ufakazi bani umzana Ndlovu-ke ngale nkathi ethula ufakazi bakhe uzocala ku line number 10 ke lapho echaza khona ukuthi-ke uma-ke udelete isithombe esakho efonini kodwa ungazange ke usidelete ku memory card, uma-ke uya lapha ku memory card-ke usakhona ukubona isithombe sona leso ke nesikhathi nakho konke kwesithombe leso lapha ku memory card.
Right.
Mina phambi kosekhetho ngikhuluma into ayikhuluma ngomlomo lapha ecourt nangangihleli lapho ngangambuza imibuzo nangikhuluma into ayikhuluma ngomlomo.
My Lord, I am saying or testifying to what he said with his own mouth. I was sitting here, I was sitting in court listening to him as to what he was testifying on.
Ngoba ngisho lapha ecourt babuRamsipile veza lezi ithombe la manje nje ngamaviki andlule veza lezi ithombe lezi akazangibuze ngama date ngoba ngazi ukuthi ithombe lezi kwathi wayidelete wayinama date.
And also when Mr. Ramusepeli was asking me about these pictures few weeks ago, never asked me about the times and the dates, since it was said that the pictures were deleted and there's no dates on them.
According to our recollection and our notes, Mr. Ramusepeli did ask you about the photo taken on the 12th of November 2020 and as to where you were on that particular day.
Uma ke sakhumbula kahle hle umzana Ramusepeli ke uyakubuza wena ngesithombe esathathwa ke mhla ka 12 November ngo2020 waphinde futhi wakubuza ukuthi isithombe lesi ke usithathe kuphi.
Mina ngikhuluma nganaso isithombe ngathi babaRamsipile yindle engayibona ukuthi ngaba nasi isithombe phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Nasi manje nesiphele isithombe lesi besingena date, but namhlanje sibuya sine date ngoba wena uyangibuza.
I'm talking about the picture that is appearing on page 2382, and I did inform Mr. Ramusepeli that I do recognize whose house was this. But this picture, my Lord, did not have a date. However, today it comes back with a date on it.
And kwesibili khona bathina mina nomshishisa ngathi asizwanani khona kahle. Oba kuNdlovu ithombe lezi ayiveza lapho umshushisi akazi baba uNdlovu akhulume ngaze kodwa ukhulume ngalezi ithombe kuthiwa mina ngisideletile efonini.
And also it's like maybe we're having communication breakdown, myself and the prosecutor. When Mr. Ndlovu was testifying before the court, he did not testify about these pictures that
lezi ayivela namhlanje efoni zifika nomshushisi azange baba uNdlovu akhulume ngaze lapha.
Mr. Ndlovu never testified about these pictures that are being projected in court today, the ones that the prosecutor is referring to.
Ithombe afike nazo lezi athi mina ngisideletile ayinama date kodwa namhlanje nazi zibha zibuya zinama date mayibuya nomshushisi.
He testified about the pictures that he said they were deleted and they did not have the date. However, today the same pictures are here and now they have dates.
Yes, we did inform your counsel, Mr. Ramusepeli, that the raw data does have metadata.
siye samtshela umelo wakho ukuthi ke i-data le lapho makudilithe khona ithombe zagcineka akhona ama-date lapho kudilitheke khona
Mina bengingekho.
umelo wakho yena siye samtshela lokho
mina bengingekho
but I was not there.